guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 2 to a video that I made, and in that video I had made this cute baby cocoon in this deep teal color. So I'm going to make the matching hat for it that looks like this. Okay, it's a simple beanie style hat with the scallop edge at the bottom and a handmade pom-pom. So anyways, to begin, I recommend using a 5.5mm hook. Grab one of these tapestry needles and a pair of scissors. And if you want to make a pom-pom, go ahead and grab one of these. I'm going to be using this same deep teal yarn from Red Heart, and I'm going to use the rest of it. Go ahead and do a slip knot onto your hook. Grab some yarn there. Alright, let's begin. To start, we're going to chain 4. Okay, and then we're going to slip stitch into the very first chain to form a ring. Okay, there's your ring. Alright, we're going to do chain 2, okay, and that does not count as a double crochet. We're going to go ahead and do 10 double crochets into the ring. So, sorry for that. Let's see, my table's kind of squeaky, so I apologize. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Go ahead and slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. Okay, and then go ahead and pull that to close the hole right there. This yarn, bear with me. Okay, so for round 2, we're starting off with a chain 2. And going forward, we're going to do 2 double crochets into each chain all the way around. So that will equal to 20 double crochets total. Wrap around, go into that same chain stitch, and do 2 double crochets. Okay. Do 2 more double crochet into the next stitch. Continue around, and I will come back and show you the next round. Okay, just finished my 2 last double crochets and slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. Okay, that completes round 2. Round 3 will be another increase, so chain 2, and this next round we're going to do 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets into the next. Okay, 1 double crochet into the next chain, and then 2 double crochet. And this will be our repeating pattern for this round. Continue ahead, and I will meet you back and show you the next round. Okay, just completed my last 2 double crochet into that last chain. Now slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. Okay, that completes round 3. We do have one more round of increase, so we're going to continue the same by chaining 2. Alright, and we're going to do a double crochet into the next 2 chains. Okay, and then on the third one we're going to do 2 double crochets, and that will be our repeat for this round. Okay, so the next 2 chains we're going to do 2 double crochets, or 1 each, I mean. 1, 2, grab some more yarn, and then 2 double crochets into the next. Okay, 1, 1, and then 2. Alright, that's a repeat. Go ahead and continue all the way around and I will meet you back. Okay, just completed round 4. Slip stitching to the very first double crochet there. Alright, round 4 is complete. So the next 3 rounds, rows 5 through 8, you are going to just do 1 double crochet into each chain all the way around. So chain 2, double crochet into every single stitch all the way around. Continue doing this until you reach row 8, and then after that I will show you how to do the scallop edge to complete the beanie part, and then I'll help you by adding a beanie, I'm sorry, not a beanie, a pom-pom to the hat as well. Alright, I will meet you at the end of row 8. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm on the 8th row, 8th round, and I'm going to close that off by slip stitching to that first one. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. Now, if you want to do this for a boy, I recommend you continue on with doing another row of double crochets and another row of single crochets to close it off. But this is, I guess the scallop edge is more for girls, so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So to begin round 9, chain 1, and we're going to do a single crochet into that same space. Okay, and then we're going to skip 2 chains and then do 5 double crochets into this next one. Okay, and then we're going to skip 2 and then single crochet into that third one. Okay, skip 2 and then 5 double crochets into that next one. And that's the repeat pattern for this round. Okay, skip 2 and single crochet. Okay, and this is how it should look. Not pretty? Alright, skip 2 and do 5 double crochets. Continue this around and I will show you how to make the pom-pom and attach it. Okay, just made my last shell, 5 double crochets. What I'm going to do next is just do a slip stitch into that first single crochet that we did on this round. Okay, and we are done. Okay, go ahead and snip it off and just tie off. Okay, we are done. I'm going to go ahead and weave in the ends here just to make it a cleaner look. Okay, the hat is done. I weaved in the ends. I kind of left the tail here so I can tie it to when we put the pom-pom on, and then I'll snip that off eventually. But this is how the hat looks like. It's so cute. I love the colors. It's so cute. Anyways, I am going to show you how to make the pom-pom, but I'm actually just gonna fast forward it. I'm gonna be using this tool. I will have this link below if you guys are interested. I bought mine, I think it's a set of 5 on Amazon, but this is like the second to the smallest one. I think it's suiting for a small hat like this for a newborn. Okay, I will stop talking and I'll show you how to make the pom-pom. And I just completed my pom-pom. It's not perfect, but it'll do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the 2 tails attached to this pom-pom and thread it through. What I like to do is from the very top, if you're going to put it on the center, I'm just going to go ahead and not go through the middle, but go through one of the sides and pull that tail through. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this other tail. I'm going to thread it. Okay, and basically do the same thing but on the other side. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now you got 2 tails. I'm going to go ahead and make a knot. 2 knots. I'm going to tie using the tail from the hat, make a knot there too, just to make it even more secure. Do it with the other one. Okay. I can snip this one off. I'm gonna grab one of these actually. I always have the hardest time. Okay, I'm gonna do it for both. Okay, now that I have both of them on, I'm going to go through the center and go through the pom-pom. Be careful. Okay, pull it through. Okay, there you go. This will make your pom-pom really secure by going through the pom-pom and tying it at the bottom. So I'm going to go through the pom-pom again. There you go. Alright, and just make several knots and you are done. The pom-pom's not going to go anywhere. Oops. Okay, made a knot. Pull it taut. Okay, and then you should be able to snip it off. And there you go. That is your newborn beanie hat with the pom-pom. If you want to, you can make two smaller pom-poms and make it, you know, put it on either end and make it a cute little bear one. That would be so adorable. But this is the finished product. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. You know, like I said, this is part 2, and I hope you enjoy making this. And if you find this easy to follow, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.